Hi everyone! In this video, we will evaluate expressions involving multiplication or division with integers. Evaluate 3g squared minus 8g plus 5 when g equals -4. Before we move on, let's review the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. And another quick reminder will be when we multiply and divide and the signs are the same, the answer is positive. When we multiply and divide and the signs are different, then the answer is negative. All right, now we have our expression 3g squared minus 8g plus 5, and we've been told that g equals -4. This means every single time I see a g, I can replace it with -4. To do this, we always replace every time we see the variable with a set of parentheses. This helps keep all of our operations very clearly defined. So let's rewrite this as 3, parenthesis, parenthesis, where the g used to be, and squared. You'll note that this means that the g and only the g is squared, and that's exactly right. The 3 is not being squared. Then we have 8, set of parentheses, so this is keeping our operation of multiplication clearly defined as such, and plus 5. Now that we've rewritten our expression, we can go ahead and substitute -4 every time the g was there inside those parentheses. So we have -4 and -4. Now let's go through the order of operations. The only parentheses that I have are indicating multiplication, so I don't need to worry about anything there. But I do have an exponent, so let's go ahead and do that first. Because the -4, all of it is being squared, this is -4 times -4. -4 times -4 shows that I have signs that are the same, and so it will be positive. 4 times 4 is 16, and so this answer is positive 16. I'll keep it in the parentheses so that I clearly know that that is being multiplied, and copy everything else down exactly as it was in the step before, because we have not completed those operations yet. Now that I've completed all of the exponents, we can move to multiplying and dividing from left to right. I have 2. I have 3 times 16 and 8 times -4, so those can both be done on the same step. 3 times 16, let's go ahead and do this off to the side. If you'd like to do this in your calculator, you're more than welcome to as well. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 1 we carried is 4, and so we get 48. And they're both positive, so the answer is positive 48 because the signs are the same. Now here I have -8 times -4. We can go ahead and do positive 8 times -4, or we can add the opposite, making it -8 times -4. This means that the signs are the same and it will be a positive number. So this will be 48 plus a negative times a negative is positive, and 8 times 4 is 32. Then we write everything else down exactly as it was on the step before because we haven't done those calculations. Now we can go ahead and add those. From left to right, 48 plus 32. Let's go ahead and line those place values up. 48 plus 32 for some scratch work off to the side. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is 80. And then we write everything down from the step before. And now we can add 80 plus 5, which is 85. And now we have evaluated this entire expression all the way down to 85, and we are all done.